Hi everyone! In this video, we are going to simplify reading contract notes for you. These documents that show up in your email when you execute an order through the FYERS platform. Some of you might think they are just boring paperwork. Nevertheless, they are important. Contract notes are legal documents that record the summary of all trades executed by FYERS on behalf of a client on a trading day. They lay out everything about your trades, like how much money you made or lost, what charges you paid, taxes, and much more. Moreover, the best part, FYERS sends these contract notes to you within 24 hours of your trades. They are password protected and you can always open with your PAN in capital letters. Without further ado, let's delve into the details of the contract notes and discover the insights they offer. The contract notes are split into two main sections, with the first half dedicated to comprehensive order details. Let's break this down step by step. At the outset, we have the order number, which is a unique number assigned by the exchange for each order executed by you. Next up, the order time highlights the exact time your order was placed on the exchange. Following that is trade number, which is a specific number assigned for the different trades. Moving on, the trade time is important to check. It shows the exact time your order was executed. For instance, a stock is trailing at 900 and you placed a buy limit order at 905 at 10 am. The order was executed at 10:20 am. In this case, the order time is 10:20 am and the trade time is 10:20 am. The next column provides the security or contract description, detailing the name of the security or contract you have traded. Symbols indicate order types, B for buy orders, S for sell orders. Next to symbols is quantity, highlighting the number of shares or lots you have traded, with buy orders as positive numbers and sell orders as negative. Then the next two columns show gross rate per unit, which shows the rate at which an order was executed on the exchange in foreign currency and Indian currency. Next is net rate per unit. As the brokerage charged is calculated separately, the net rate per unit is equivalent to the gross rate per unit. Moving on to next is a closing rate per unit column showing the rate applicable to derivatives contracts exclusively. It shows the rate at which the contracts traded closed at the end of the market session. Lastly, there is net total column before all the levies, showing the amount you are liable to pay or receive for the trades executed by the FYERS trading platform, with positive amounts indicating receivables from FYERS and negative amounts showing payables to FYERS. At the bottom of the vertical table, you'll notice a horizontal line describing the buy-sell quantities, providing a quick snapshot of your trading activity. Now let's move on to the next part of the contract note, which primarily includes details regarding monetary elements such as the amount payable or receivable, brokerage fees, additional charges, and applicable taxes. Starting with pay-in or payout obligation. This section presents the net total amount after considering all debit and credit transactions before levying other charges. The next couple of rows show the computation of the taxable value of supply, which includes various charges applicable. First in the list is brokerage charges. At FYERS, we charge a flat fee of ₹20 or 0.03%, whichever is lower, for intraday orders. For delivery orders, the brokerage charges remain 0. Next is clearing member charges, showing charges collected for clearing and settlement of trades. Then there are exchange transaction charges. Both BSE and NSE levy exchange charges on the trades executed. You can check the detailed charge list as shown in the video. Next is SEBI turnover fees, which is charged on the securities transactions to regulate the market effectively. Last in the line is NSE IPFT charges. The Investor Protection Fund Trust fee is levied to safeguard investor interests against default by trading members or clearing members. As we move ahead, there is a tab of taxes applicable on the total taxable value of supply. FYERS is registered in Karnataka. So as per income tax regulations, if you are a resident of Karnataka, CGST and SGST will be levied on the total taxable value. If you are a resident of any other state in India, IGST will be charged in lieu of CGST and SGST. Furthermore, stamp duty is charged and STT is collected by FYERS and paid to the exchange. STT is levied on both buying and selling on equity delivery and on selling on intraday and FNO. As we wrap up now, we hope this video has made contract notes simplified for you. Also, in case you have missed out on any email, you can easily download contract notes from the FYERS website. Just go to myaccount.fyers.in, log in using client ID or contact number, click on Reports and select Bills and Contracts to download your contract note for the desired date range. If you're new to FYERS, consider exploring our platform and opening a Demat account by clicking the link in the description below. Happy trading and have a great day.